This tool is about to completely blow your mind. Most people think AI automation is expensive, that you need paid subscriptions, limited credits, or usage caps. But this hidden tool can generate 100+ AI videos with a single click. No trial, no credit card, and absolutely no limits. Honestly, I thought this was fake too, until I tested it myself. While everyone else was chasing the latest hyped AI video tools, this underground tool quietly appeared, and it's a game changer. It's so powerful that it actually makes most paid tools feel outdated. This one tool can help you create videos in almost any niche. You can make animated story videos, psychology content, AI comics, history videos, AI documentaries, and so much more. So today, let's jump into this AI automation masterclass and learn how you can use this free and unlimited tool to generate videos in bulk. The name of the tool is AutoISK, Automation for Google Whisk. Just search AutoISK on Google and you'll see it right at the top. That's the one you need. Click on it. Now, this is an automation tool created by Duck Martian. It's an all-in-one solution that fully automates your entire Whisk AI workflow. It allows you to batch send prompts, saving you a massive amount of time. This workflow takes control of the whole process, so instead of manually entering prompts and generating images one by one, you can bulk generate entire videos at once. If you're tired of waiting for each image, constantly clicking and manually downloading files, this is exactly the tool you need. It completely removes the headache of entering prompts one by one and downloading everything manually. Let me show you how it works, and then I'll teach you how to build an entire YouTube channel around this single tool. First things first, install it. The setup I'm about to show you is critical for this workflow to function properly, so follow it exactly as I do. AutoISK is a browser extension, so click Add to Chrome, then click Add Extension. Once it's installed, pin it and open it. This is the interface you'll see once everything is working correctly. You'll notice it's not in English at first. It's set to Vietnamese, so let's fix that. Click here, choose English, and now it should look familiar. This is the AutoISK homepage. It says Automated Task Manager for Whisk AI, which is important because this extension works directly alongside Google Whisk. Simply click Whisk and use both tools side by side. Create your account and enter the tool. Don't worry, both of these tools are completely free, so there's no risk of running out of credits. Whisk is developed by Google, and it lets you generate images and animate them, similar to Meta AI. Now, you might be wondering, if Whisk already does this, why do we even need AutoISK? The answer is simple: automation. A normal user goes into Whisk, enters a prompt, and maybe generates 2 images. But as content creators, we know 2 images aren't enough to make a video. We usually need around 100 images just to create one proper video. Manually writing 100 prompts is exhausting. It drains your energy, and at the end of the day, you're left with just one video. This is exactly where most creators give up on YouTube, thinking it's too time-consuming. If that sounds like you, watch this before quitting. You already know we focus on automation. All we need is a tool that can automate everything in one click. That's where AutoISK comes in. It boosts your productivity by 10x and helps you create content faster without the stress. Open AutoISK and choose your version. You'll see 3 versions, but realistically, you'll use one of 2, Recommended 7.6 or Classic 7.5. I'm choosing Classic for now. Paste all your prompts at once or even import a .txt file and hit Start. As you can see, it immediately starts generating all the images at once, and it even downloads them automatically. This is the most basic way to use AutoISK. Now that everything is set up and working perfectly, let's move to the second major step, building an automation channel using this tool. Lately, my feed has been filled with image-based wisdom stories. YouTube, TikTok, and Facebook are heavily pushing this format. And the best part? Audiences absolutely love it. The views, likes, and subscribers prove it. This is a clear signal for us as creators to jump in and deliver exactly what people are already consuming. So, let me show you how to automate this. Look at this channel. Over 398,000 subscribers with just 51 videos. They're posting simple wisdom stories, and every video pulls strong views. Even their most recent upload has over 20,000 views. People love stories. When you analyze their content, you'll see it's just simple image-based storytelling with subtitles. And it's not just one channel, here's another and another. All of them are making solid profits. This format isn't just winning on YouTube, it's also viral on Facebook, TikTok, and Instagram. This is the exact strategy we're cloning today. But we'll add our own personal touch so it looks unique and stands out. First, we need a story. Go to Google and search Zen Stories PDF. These are short parables with deep life lessons. You can also search for Japanese folk tales, African folklore, or other cultural stories. Pick the one you like. I'll use this one as an example. Copy the story and paste it into ChatGPT. Ask ChatGPT to generate image prompts in a Studio Ghibli-inspired hand-painted illustration style with soft, natural lighting and an inspirational storytelling mood. I've saved my prompts. If you need them, just ask and I'll share. Make sure the prompts are detailed so the tool can generate images in the same style consistently. ChatGPT will now give you line-by-line prompts. Once that's done, ask it to extract all prompts into a text file, prompts only, in order. Copy all the prompts and paste them into AutoISK. Click Start and instantly it begins generating everything in bulk. As you can see, the images are being generated and downloaded automatically. The quality is great, but you might notice the characters aren't consistent. So how do we fix that? There are two methods, and Whisk AI has a hidden feature for this. Click here and you'll see three options: Subject, Scene, and Style. These are the keys to maintaining character consistency. Go back to ChatGPT and find the character prompts. Copy one and generate the character. Choose the image you like and add it as a subject. Since our story has two characters, click the plus icon and repeat the process. Just remember to disable the previous character before generating the next one. Once both characters are added, do the same for style and scene. Now regenerate all the prompts. This gives you next-level consistency across the entire story. Look at the results. Incredible! All scenes are generated and downloaded automatically. This method alone saves hours of manual work. If you don't want AutoISK to auto-download files, you can turn that off in the settings. While the images are generating, let's create the voiceover. Go to Google AI Studio, then click Text to Speech. Select Single Speaker Mode, paste your story, and choose a voice. I'm using Enceladus. It's deep and perfect for wisdom stories. Now here's the key part: style instructions. Ask ChatGPT to generate emotional voiceover instructions for your story, then paste them here. Hit Run. This text-to-speech tool is completely free and perfect for automation. Our voiceover is ready. Let's take a quick listen.
A learned man once went to visit a Zen teacher to inquire about Zen. As the Zen teacher talked, the learned man frequently interrupted to express his own opinion about this or that. Finally, the Zen teacher stopped talking and began to serve tea to the learned man. He poured the cup full, then kept pouring until the cup overflowed. "Stop," said the learned man. "The cup is full."
The tone is perfect. Simply click Download. Now let's check our scenes. Everything is generated and saved on our PC. One thing I really love about AutoISK is how organized it is. It automatically creates a dedicated folder for every project. This is honestly one of the best automation features I've seen so far. Now it's time to assemble everything into a video. Open CapCut, start a new project, and import your scenes and voiceover. Place the voiceover on the timeline and align your images accordingly. Only use the scenes that fit the narration. Once everything is aligned, generate subtitles and choose a clean template. Add smooth transitions between scenes. Now here's the most important editing step: animating the images. Select an image, enable keyframes, and add one at the start and one at the end. Slightly zoom the first keyframe. This creates a smooth animation effect. Apply this to all images. Now, watch the result.
A learned man once went to visit a Zen teacher to inquire about Zen. As the Zen teacher talked, the learned man frequently interrupted to express his own opinion about this or that. Finally, the Zen teacher stopped talking and began to serve tea to the learned man. He poured the cup full, then kept pouring until the cup overflowed. "Stop," said the learned man. "The cup is full. No more can be poured in." "Like this cup, you are full of your own opinions," replied the Zen teacher. "If you do not first empty your cup, how can you taste my cup of tea?"
Incredible, right? This is how you can create 30 videos in a single day. This workflow takes less than 20 minutes per video and removes nearly 90% of manual effort. Start your Ghibli-style motivational story channel using this exact system. This format is new, it's viral, and it's already winning on YouTube. All the tools used here are completely free. You can create this type of channel in any format, long or short, but long form is performing incredibly well right now. Start 2026 with an AI automation business and win big. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments. I reply to every one. Like, subscribe, and share this automation hack with your team. Thank you so much and good luck.